Today I'm going to make a very quick recipe. It is milkfish cooked in soy sauce. The process basically is poaching. To poach a certain meat is to cook it in liquid until it becomes soft, and it is a very healthy alternative to frying. So I have here milkfish that I have already pre-salted and also placed some black pepper on it. So we have to arrange this now. Poaching actually is a very gentle way of cooking delicate meat like milkfish, and it would turn out that your meat like milkfish remains moistful and flavorsome. So we put all these ingredients again. Here are again our onions on top of that. And I'm gonna reserve a few pieces which I will add later on. Now normally I would use chili pepper, but today I'm replacing some of the chili pepper with bell pepper. It's because I don't want this dish to be very spicy, because at home we have 1-year-old twin girls, and funny that they eat a lot of rice for lunch, and so they eat rice flavored with whatever we have for lunch. So I will keep this dish not very spicy. And a little lemon as a source of acid. And then I'm using premium soy sauce again because I'm also having my grandchildren, the twin grandchildren have this. So I just have to add just a little or enough soy sauce. I always say when I cook for the taste preference of my family. And of course we have to have vegetable oil. So how quick and easy is this? And cover it with enough water. All right, I think that's about it. And I'm going to cook this for 10 minutes. But I will have this cooked just for 8 minutes, because then after that I'm going to check whether I got the right flavor according to the preference of my family. Alexa, set the time for 8 minutes. 8 minutes is over, so it's time for me to check whether the flavor is just right according to the preference of my family. So let's check on this. Well, I think it's about okay. I just add a little bit more of oil. So it's not spicy, and I hope the little girls will like them. I have here a few onions left, which I can add on top of it, so that later on when I serve this dish, there will be some fresh onions on top of them. By the way, when you cook by poaching, see to it that you don't boil it really vigorously. Let it cook slowly. So I have 2 minutes left and the dish is done.